this car is really different. The one thing I will say about this car compared to any other car, and majority, like I said, you see that Tesla parking lot, there was only like a few cars. Everybody's still riding engine powered cars. So what does that say? Like, I don't think electric cars are gonna be anything close to the future yet until like 2027, I'll say. But my thing about these cars, bro, is like, yo, it is so different compared to gas powered cars. Because think about it, you don't even gotta think about it, you could just see. No car got pickup like that. Like, yo, this car is crazy, bro. Like, shit, bugged out. So, gotta charge her up. It's going pretty quick. It's a half hour. 10 cash light. So, the one thing I want to say also, when it comes to making this money, when it comes to driving these cars, when it comes to anything that's abnormal, that's not the ordinary, you start getting treated different. I look the same, I've been wearing the same shit, but I've noticed it's not even about what you wear, my nigga. It's about like what's on you ice wise. You know, I ain't got no chains yet. I could have bought a fucking nice watch. I could have bought a nice chain, but no. I wanted to look nice while in something nice, you feel me? Cause like I said, none of this makes you. Like, that's the one thing I've learned over time, is that a lot of people and a lot of us, I ain't gonna bash our own kind, but a lot of us minorities really just put that on a pedestal, wearing fucking Dolce & Gabbana, this and that. But majority of the time, these niggas is walking, these females is walking, or they asking for lifts and rides, don't even got a car. I'm fucking 28 in a fucking Tesla. Why? Because I put in the work. And not only put in the work, I stayed disciplined. I'm not out here splurging on food. When you see me post food on my stories or Instagram and stuff, I deserve that. I earned that. So I reward myself probably 2 or 3 times out the week to go out to eat. But majority of the time, I'm sticking to my diet. You know, we got gains to get in every single day. As you see, I do not cap. I got my eggs here. I got my shake. All while we're still getting to the bag from anywhere. So, before we get into the bag, drop a like and a comment below if you guys want access to the free sports chat. No, comment below if you guys are interested in this. Comment below, comment, like this video, share this video, and also comment, man, what has been holding you back from getting to that next level and replacing your 9 to 5. I know a lot of people have habits. I know a lot of people have girlfriend problems. I know a lot of people have boyfriend problems. So at the end of the day, you have to know, okay, this person is not for me and I need to stop today. Or you need to start doing something else that's going to get you on the right path if you've been doing the same shit and you notice there's no change. So the one thing I noticed in life, I didn't want a 9 to 5 personally. I never wanted a 9 to 5. I just had to deal with it. Everything changed once my son came into my life. I told myself, I need to make money on my own terms. I can't be called into a job. God forbid anything happens. And then on top of it, you know, like my woman, you know, like at the end of the day, like I need to be there for my woman. And I feel like a 9 to 5, like holding you back from just leaving to even step out for some fresh air is fucking crazy. So the one thing I always told myself, to always work for myself. And if I have to work a job until then so be it, you know. I retired myself around 2019, 2018 before the pandemic happened. Been drop shipping on Facebook, eBay drop shipping. But the one thing that really changed my mind was, how can I make money without doing anything? Just putting up an upfront cost, checking up every month, and scaling it. That's all I'm concerned about. Making money passively without doing anything, saving money, and also investing into this business that's going to save me time and scale fast enough. So the number one passive income for 2024 is automated e-commerce stores. I'm gonna say it again. Automated e-commerce stores. Automated e-commerce stores. What's that, Mike? So automated e-commerce stores are stores being operated by our VAs, me and my team, our VAs that handles product listing, that handles distribution, shipping, everything that you, even down to price gauging on what needs to be sold, what's the profit, what's the trending product for the month, what's a consistent product for the month. So me personally, automated e-commerce stores have changed my fucking life. Okay, I wouldn't be in a Tesla talking to you guys about this one income that really generated mainly all my income. I got other couple incomes I do as well on the side. You always have to have more than 2 to 3 incomes nowadays, but the main income is automated automated e-commerce stores. And with that, I was able to get a Tesla. I was able to invest into my other businesses that's also scaling as we speak. That I personally have to do will eventually be passive within the next few months. But this has fucking changed my life, and it has changed my client's life. It also has changed my client's life as well. And I'm only saying this to say, man, think outside the box. Do you want to be working a job every single day? Do you want to be sitting here stuck paycheck to paycheck, not knowing if you're going to make extra income or you're going to need extra income for a new month? Anything can happen, So it's always best to take the money that you're making from your day job and invest into multiple incomes, especially being passive incomes. So like I said, the best passive income right now is automated e-commerce stores. And I only say this to say this because I've seen results not only from my clients, but also from me personally seeing this. And I thought to myself, it's like, okay, why am I sitting here running an e-commerce store, having to check up on products, revise the store, revamp the store? No. I said something needs to change. So that's when me and my partner partnered up and we started releasing automated e-commerce stores where everything is operated and ran by us and our team for 24 hours every single day, 24/7. So when people are sleeping in other regions, there's other VAs still up in other regions taking care of certain things that need to be listed on time, this, that, and third. And my whole thing about this is that you're not going to get rich tomorrow. I'm talking about 3 to 4 months. You're not even going to be rich. You're going to be at I'll say a good 6 figures with of net, you know what I mean? And the profit is split 730. So you do the math. But like I said, click the link in the bio, man. If you guys are interested, click the link in the bio. We're only taking 4 to 5 spots every month. We're not doing this if you don't have a bag. We're not doing this if you're not trying to invest. And we're not doing this for people who have doubt. So if you don't have faith and you don't believe in the trajectory within the next 3 to 4 months on how can this business compound, then click off this video right now, because this is not even for you. You're just looking a way to get rich. You're not going to get rich thinking about money that's going to show up your doorstep tomorrow. No matter what passive income that you have, no matter what passive income that you create, you're always going to have to wait for that delayed gratification and for the money to compound over time. So within the next 3-4 months, you could be making 6 figures all by just investing this one time for the setup, one time for the store to be created and products to be listed every day. It's a no-brainer. So click the link in the bio. We're only taking 4 to 5 slots. It's going quick. Every month we're going crazy and the prices are only going up.